welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix geometry dash not working after update iOS 17 in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix, first of all go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Click on this and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on. And after that go back. If you use mobile data then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off. And after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then scroll down and click on journal, and from here what you need to do it, click on iPhone storage and from here scroll down and search for this geometry dash. Scroll down and click on this, and from here what you need to do it, offload your app. After a few minutes you have again install, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then open again setting, scroll down and click on again journal, and from here scroll down and click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that go back and scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect, and after that go back and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If it is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box, I will help you more. Thanks for watching.